Hello, Signature Landscape Services Company. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO, and we are a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I was told Paul would be the correct person to watch this, so Paul, I hope you're watching. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. If you're planning on working with a SEO agency or a web designer, this video will show you what you currently have going behind the scenes of your website and also comparing it to one of your competitors online, just so you could have a good understanding of what to look for. All right, looks like this is your website here. It's fairly clean. There's not much of content here. I see these 2 paragraphs overall. The link here, About Us link, I see the location populates by default. I'm not sure if you meant to do that. The phone number is not clickable, which is a good feature to have on a website for your end users to contact you ASAP, right? Making it easier for the end user. So overall, it's a good website. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. What I mean by stuffing, in other words, is spamming. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but they're scattered without protocol. That's just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam. And that's not good for your website or your company, right? Let's jump into Ahrefs here real quick. This is what you currently have going. Now, I'm not sure if this is an old website, but the website is not secured. Looks like the TSL certification expired. So yeah, I'm not sure if you currently have a new website, but let me know and we could redo this custom video for you. So referring domain 0, organic keyword 0, no traffic going onto your website. Unfortunately, DR19, you are at a 0. What I mean by keywords or organic keywords is pretty much what people are using or typing in Google's search engine. You want to get those high volume keywords that people are actually typing in for your services around your area. An example would be one of your competitors here, Hoffman's Landscape. They have a little bit of content, not that much as well, but if you look at their what they have going behind the scenes, organic keywords, they have over 200. In a monthly basis, they're getting 73 people jumping into the website organically based on the keywords and the backlinks and citations. This here, the backlink section, when you think of the website, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks would be your UR level here. So they have 400. It's giving them a boost of 15%, which is not bad. It's better than 0, of course. The third and final thing would be citations. A citation is actually your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar with one of those. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create new avenue for people to reach them for their services, that is pretty much what a citation is. The citation meter would be the DR level here. And it's in the citation genre is in regards to the referring domains. So they have 74, it's not giving them any boost, so they're not getting good citations. In a nutshell, if you work on the backlinks and referring domains, if you have good keywords, you'll get more traffic and going to your website. You want to keep these two at a 1:1 ratio. It's a good protocol inside of Google's eyes. So pretty much, as you can well imagine, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really gaining any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, calls and leads, and all that fun stuff. Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. If it's just a website you're looking for, or getting SEO services, we're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye bye.